It's my honor today to be speaker for this talk to give you that you know more about the Moldex3D shell. So the title is Getting the Hang of Shell in Moldex3D 2024. So for the outline today, in the beginning, I will give you the introduction for Moldex3D shell on our platform studio. Then there will be a demonstration for Moldex3D shell model workflow. And then I will give you a, just tell you more about Moldex3D shell applications. And the next one is what's new for in the version 2024 for Moldex3D shell. So today topics all about Moldex3D shell. Yeah. And also for introduction, I think we can start from what is Moldex3D shell. It is a useful mesh pre-processing design specifically for Moldex3D simulation, equipped with first suitable for large parts with same thickness. For example, the L over D is larger than 10 and is with efficiency and robust numerical computing capabilities, easy to do design change. So like below figure, you can see here that for the 3D solid geometry, we can simplify it to 2.5 dimension, the shear model with the mid-plane of the part. And we think this kind of application is useful for some users. They need large part, like automotive suppliers, for example. Okay, so here I just give you one example of the easy design change for shear model. For the model like bump here, so by Moldex3D shell, we can easily to modify thickness, like the thickness modification, or easily to modify the gate location and around the layout for the further design evaluation.